How to make your Facebook profile private. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right. Now scroll down and choose Setting in Privacy. Tap on Settings option and now tap on Privacy Checkup. Now tap Who can see what you can share. Now you need to tap on Continue button. And here you can see your phone number, birthday, hometown and relationship status. You can simply make this more private by tapping on each of the option and setting it to only me. This will make your information about your profile more private. Likewise, you can easily go back and review all your settings. You can easily tap on next button at bottom right and easily make your post and stories private as well. You can choose default audience and tap on see more and tap on only me as well. Come back and do the same for your stories as well. You can make it more private selecting hide your stories from or choosing custom. So here you can select the friends to share your stories with, or you can hide with the common peoples if you have any friends. Come back and now you can tap on the next button and here you can add to block list as well. Here are different other settings as well. You can easily make them more private by going on each of these options and then tap continue button. Here you can make who can send your friend request to private by tapping on everyone and tapping friends of friends. In this way you can easily make your Facebook private as there is no direct button to make your Facebook account private. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.